The topic today is service order fees. And fees can come in a variety of ways. We can add them manually, or they can automatically be added via the online ordering. An example of fees include items like core charges, shipping, return fees, insurance, the things that might come in on an invoice, and then you can add it easily. Now, how do we add fees now to our service orders? We have a new menu option called Fees for each job. And if you look down at this particular job number 3, there's a core charge that was automatically added via the online ordering process. So if we also wanted to add shipping to this, and we wanted to actually charge the core charges back to the customer, we can do that by going to Fees. To automatically charge these core fees back to the customer and put it in the total, we could just select Charge and save it. And then to add a shipping fee, we would just click the green plus, select Shipping, put in whatever that fee is, let's say it's $23, and add that. And now in this case, the shipping is defaulted to be charged back. And we can also use our pricing process, our price markup, or whatever pricing method we're using can be applied here. So let's just return to our job. And now you'll see that shipping has been added and the core fees are also being charged. Now in this case, we don't really want to charge the core fees. So let me go back to Fees and just remove the charge. Now that's been saved. And it's just that easy to add fees now to any job and remove them. Under the fees section, you would just click the red X to remove them. So it's very simple, and now you can handle things like federal excise tax for tire jobs, return fees, insurance fees, shipping, delivery fees, things like that. Thank you so much.